Hello everyone, this is David. I'm coming back with another video today. Just wanted to show you a project that I made a little while ago, a few years ago. I saw this back in 2011 when this magazine was released for 10 bucks. As it shows, Make magazine. This was a special issue featuring Adam Savage from Mythbusters fame and a shop tour. And there were a few projects in this magazine that I liked and I decided to work on. This was before I had my workbench here to do things on. I was looking for a way to make a portable workbench, something I could take with me on the fly and do things, electronics or leatherwork, stamping or whatnot. And this particular magazine had this project. It's a portable workstand. It has casters on the bottom, and a lid at the top so you can access things on the inside. So I decided to make it with some modifications of my own, of course. But one of the things I did like was the power bar that I attached on the back. I didn't use legs, but I'll show you that shortly. And yeah, I guess it will be the next part. Alright everyone, we're back outside now. And just need a little more room for this part of it. So this is the box that I made. It has a interesting design. I will put it up on this little stand I just quickly picked up here, put together here, and yeah, we'll continue on in just a moment. As you saw, there was a handle on the side, on the top of it, so that I can haul it around. It's not too heavy, guessing maybe 15-20 pounds-ish. But here's how I would normally set it up. You can see the feet there on the right hand side when it's in the standing position, so it tucks out of the way. But at the front, you can see that there's a couple latches here on the side, one on the front. Open up to store your tools that you're going to be using for the day. I designed this so that it could be used as an electronics bench for my electronic tinkering, as well as leatherworking or cutting of materials, things of that nature. I'll show you all in just a moment. On the back corner, I have got a computer power supply, which is ironically 3.5 inches tall. Just for the shape of the 2x4s, that makes it work quite nicely. It's got it held in with a little metal clasp there. Don't really need it to be strapped in too tightly, so that will work fine. And this there on the back on the left, this is where I will mount the power bar shortly. We'll see this in a moment. There we go. It's now set up for an electronics workbench. I like to do a little bit of tinkering here and there with some electronics. Hey everyone. So, hey, there's my shadow. This is the zooming in of the switch on the top of the work surface. I've got the on-off switch for the power supply built in inside. Ground, 3.3 volts, 5 volts, and 12 volts all on the switch, which is attached to the computer power supply, and a 5 volts constant voltage, which is even when the switch is off. Good for charging things like cell phones and whatnot. Just as an FYI, a USB power source is 5 volts. Yeah, so that's pretty much about that. I use this once in a while. This was before I had my workbench, so yeah, there we go. And here's a closer view of the inside. Again, it's pretty straightforward, just for holding things. I was originally going to cut out a port, put in a fan for the power supply, but I haven't used it enough to really warrant it in case it got warm inside. It hasn't been an issue so far. There's the cords for the power supply from the computer that hook up into the switch at the top. But there you go, that's pretty much my tour of this workbench. It took me about a couple hours to create one day with some spare materials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a message in there and I'll get back to you. Anywho, have a great day everyone. When it's not in use, just a little follow-up here. I've tucked this in just underneath my workbench, so it's kind of hidden away with a little bit of an outcropping, but it's fine. Anywho, have a great day guys.